In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and publish a new section in Glide. Glide is a powerful, no-code platform for building apps. And today, we'll walk through a simple flow to add a new section to your project and push it live. First, head over to Glide in your browser. You'll land on the home page where you can get started quickly. Sign into your account using your usual login method. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which lists all your existing projects. Open the project you want to edit. This takes you into the editor, where the main canvas shows your app and the left sidebar helps you manage structure and components. In that left sidebar, look for the Components area. Click the Add icon. It typically looks like a plus sign. This opens the options for what you can insert into your screen. Choose the type of section you want to add. You'll see options like Simple, Image, Profile, and Cover. Simple is great for straightforward content like text blocks or a clean layout. Image is ideal when you want to highlight a single visual with impact. Profile works well for showcasing a person or item with an image, title, and supporting details. Cover creates a bold, hero-style area at the top of a screen, perfect for introductions or highlights. Pick the one that best fits the content you're adding and place it where it makes the most sense in your layout. Now edit the details to make the section your own. In the Properties panel, update titles, descriptions, and images, and connect any data sources your project uses. Keep your text concise and clear. Choose images that are high quality and properly sized, and make sure labels and fields are consistent with the rest of your app. As you tweak settings, keep an eye on the live preview in the editor to confirm spacing, alignment, and readability. Small adjustments, like padding, font size, or image cropping, can make a big difference in polish. When everything looks right, go to the top right of the editor and click Publish. This step pushes your changes to your live app, so users will see the new section immediately. Give it a moment to update, then refresh your live app to confirm everything appears as expected. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.